Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your life: how to become unstoppable. Whether you're looking to excel in your career, personal life, or relationships, these 22 tips will help you harness your potential and achieve your goals. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. Having well-defined goals gives you direction and purpose. Start by identifying what you truly want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, and personal growth. Write down these goals and break them into manageable steps. This process not only helps you stay focused, but also makes your progress measurable and attainable. Tip number 2. Develop a positive mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. Practice positive thinking and focus on solutions rather than problems to overcome obstacles. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read motivational books and engage in activities that uplift your spirit. A positive mindset enhances your resilience and helps you face challenges with confidence. Tip number 3. Build resilience. Life is full of challenges, but resilience allows you to bounce back stronger. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. Cultivate resilience by maintaining a flexible attitude, developing problem-solving skills, and seeking support when needed. Remember, every challenge you overcome makes you stronger. Tip number 4. Stay disciplined. Consistency and self-discipline are key to achieving success. Create routines and stick to them. Even when motivation wanes, discipline helps you stay on track and make progress even on days when you don't feel like it. It's the small, consistent actions that lead to big results. Tip number 5. Embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Learn from your mistakes and use them as stepping stones to improve and grow. When you embrace failure, you remove the fear associated with it, allowing yourself to take more risks and explore new opportunities. Remember, each failure brings you one step closer to success. Tip number 6. Cultivate self-confidence. Believe in your abilities and trust yourself. Confidence comes from preparation and experience. So keep pushing your limits, set small goals and achieve them to build your confidence gradually. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth and celebrate your achievements. Tip number 7. Take action. Ideas without action remain dreams. Start taking steps towards your goals, no matter how small, and build momentum. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Create a plan and take consistent action towards your objectives. The more you act, the more confident and capable you become. Tip number 8. Stay focused. Distractions are everywhere, but maintaining focus on your priorities is crucial. Use techniques like time blocking and mindfulness to stay on track. Identify what truly matters to you and eliminate or minimize distractions that do not contribute to your goals. Stay committed to your path and guard your focus. Tip number 9. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with influence your mindset and energy. Choose to be around supportive, positive individuals who uplift you. Positive environments foster creativity, motivation, and resilience. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that inspire and encourage your growth. Tip number 10. Keep learning. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and opens new opportunities. Read books, take courses, and stay curious to continually grow. Embrace a growth mindset and view every experience as a learning opportunity. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more equipped you are to handle challenges and seize opportunities. Tip number 11. Manage your time wisely. Effective time management helps you balance various aspects of life, prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and make the most of each day. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, and productivity apps to organize your tasks. Remember, time is a valuable resource, and how you use it determines your success. Tip number 12. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you're grateful for enhances your well-being and keeps you motivated. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down things you're thankful for each day. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive outlook. Tip number 13. Stay healthy. Physical health impacts your mental and emotional well-being. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and get enough sleep to maintain high energy levels. A healthy body supports a sharp mind and a positive attitude. Make self-care a priority and listen to your body's needs. Tip number 14. Develop emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your emotions, as well as empathizing with others, improves your relationships and decision-making. Emotional intelligence involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Work on these areas to enhance your interpersonal interactions and overall well-being. Tip number 15. Be adaptable. The ability to adjust to changing circumstances is crucial. Stay flexible and open-minded to navigate life's uncertainties effectively. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Adaptability allows you to thrive in diverse situations and seize new opportunities. Tip number 16. Find your passion. Pursuing what you love brings fulfillment and motivation. Identify your passions and integrate them into your goals and daily life. Passion fuels perseverance and creativity, making your journey towards success more enjoyable and sustainable. Tip number 17. Network effectively. Building strong connections can open doors to new opportunities. Attend events, engage with others, and build mutually beneficial relationships. Networking is not just about exchanging information, it's about building meaningful relationships. Be genuine, offer value, and stay connected with your network. Tip number 18. Take care of your mental health. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Practice mindfulness, seek support when needed, and prioritize self-care. Mental health affects your productivity, relationships, and overall quality of life. Make time for relaxation, hobbies, and activities that bring you joy. Tip number 19. Stay humble. No matter how successful you become, humility keeps you grounded and open to learning. Acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses honestly. Humility fosters continuous improvement in healthy relationships. Remember, there's always more to learn and room for growth. Tip number 20. Keep a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can develop through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges and view effort as a path to mastery. A growth mindset encourages resilience and persistence. It helps you see setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. Tip number 21. Celebrate small wins. Recognizing and celebrating progress keeps you motivated. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory on your journey. Acknowledge your achievements and reward yourself for your efforts. Celebrating small wins builds momentum and encourages further progress. Tip number 22. Stay persistent. Persistence is key to overcoming obstacles and achieving long-term success. Keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Persistence means staying committed to your goals despite difficulties or delays. It's the consistent effort that leads to significant achievements. And there you have it, 22 tips on how to become unstoppable. By integrating these practices into your life, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your dreams. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.